In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom domain to Netlify. Open up Netlify, then choose your project or website which you want to add a custom domain to. And once you have it open here, you will see this custom domain go to domain management. You want to click on that, and then you will click on add a domain, and you want to choose add a domain you already own. Once you choose that, then you will go and fetch your domain. I'm just going to use Hostinger for this tutorial. Depending on your provider, it might vary a little bit. You will just want to get your domain and copy it. And then here we will go and paste our domain. Next, we will need to verify it. Here we will click on add domain. So just click on add domain, and it's going to begin integrating it. Now from the domain portfolio here, you just want to open up the domain and then go to DNS/name servers, and here you will see manage DNS records. So we will need to add some DNS records here. So click on options, then go to DNS panel, and you will need to add these DNS records here. You can also update the name servers. So if that's going to be easier for you, you can go back and just click on change name servers. And then again, you will confirm the name server change, and you just have to copy these values and paste them as you see them. So the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth. After you have done this, you can click on save. Now you will need to do this for the second part of your domain as well. So here we have done it for this one. You want to go and do the same for the second one, and again you will copy this and paste it if there's any variables, and that is how you do it. After you have done this, then you can just verify your domain, and here it is going to be verified. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.